Hey y'all, it's Josh. Welcome. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Kobalt 24v brushless sander. I recently got into the 6-tool Kobalt 24v brushless set, and so I wanted to go ahead and add this to my collection. I'm really excited to go ahead and use this. Let's go ahead and unbox this, see what's in it. So I picked this up from Lowe's. Clearly nothing wrong with the box here. Go ahead and open it. All right, everything's nice and packed, nice and neatly. So here's our manual. Couple of sanding discs, that's always useful. Never run out of those. Never have too much of those, I should say. Always run out of them. There's a tool. Nice, rotates pretty easily. Dust collection, and here's our extension, and that would be everything included in that. So let's close this up. All right. Well, this is pretty self-explanatory. I don't think we need to pull out directions. There's a little notch here, and looks like it should just slide right in and click. Huh. Guess maybe we gotta push that in a bit. Maybe I do need to read directions. Jeez. There it is. All right. Locked in place. There's no spring or anything. It's just held together by 4 little plastic bars on the inside here. So okay, let's give her a go. See what we got here. Jesus, 60. So they gave us, what did they give us here? Let's take a look. Gave us a 60 grit, 120 grit, and a 220 grit, so that way you can work your way up here. I'll slap the 60 grit on here. Okay, slapped on real nice and neat. I'm gonna go ahead and use my 24-volt 4-amp-hour battery. Okay, there's some settings back here. I didn't realize that it was variable adjust, so that's really cool. It doesn't really mention it on the box. At least not that I can see here. It's a dust sealed switch, electronic speed control. It's a nice nifty feature located there, but not really something that's highlighted. That's cool. I'm not complaining. Let's start on the lowest setting here. Pretty neat. Let's go higher. That sounds powerful, so we're gonna try it on the first setting here. Alright, I'm gonna turn that off for now. Wow, well that sounded glorious. So now I have this old piece of scrap wood, some black paint, just some standard black interior paint on it. You can see where I removed it, so let's just go ahead and see how it handles. And this is a full charge on a 4-amp-hour battery, so let's see how we do after this. All right, that's on the lowest setting, so let's go ahead and kick it up a notch. Let's start at number 3. Go maxed out. So that was a good while. I mean, and honestly, it sounds fantastic. See, we can see some remnants of our dust collection system back here. But I mean, some previous sanders, I tend to find a lot of dust built up around here. So far, nothing. It's pretty clear, clean. Dust collection is actually picking up quite a bit. Sounds fantastic. I'm honestly looking forward to working with this. But that was a quick unboxing video. I just wanted to show y'all. Real quick, easy to set up. Took just like 2-3 minutes. So this is something that you want to pick up. So far, just in the initial feel, I think this is a fantastic tool. But I'll go ahead and put it through the ringer, and I'll hopefully put up a review video in a couple of weeks.